jewellery pieces does a lady need to look chic, timeless and classy? Stay tuned to find out. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, the channel for ladies over 50 who want to look and feel fabulous, and a special warm welcome if you're new here. Today I'm really excited because I'm sharing the top timeless and stylish jewellery pieces that every woman needs to have to look chic, classy and put together. I'm going to be showing you all the main jewellery types, such as a very special watch, necklaces, bracelets, earrings, to ramp up any outfit and to make any outfit look stylish and chic. But firstly, I'd like to say a big thank you to NORDGREEN, who are very kindly sponsoring this video, and I'm super excited to be working with such a great, ethical and stylish company, but more of this in a moment. And just before we jump in, I'd really appreciate it if you could kindly consider subscribing to my channel. It's totally free and it really helps me to continue producing these videos for you. So let's dive right in and talk about the one significant jewellery piece that can really bring an outfit together. The one piece that can make any outfit look polished, modern, stylish and chic. It's often, the only jewellery piece that you really need to make an outfit look put together, and you'll treasure it forever. And it's often the jewellery piece that people notice the most about you as well, and will get you noticed. So it needs to be high quality, sleek and beautiful. And that's a watch, your go-to piece to look fabulous and feel confident. So it's really important which watch you choose. Now I have a really special watch here, which I know you're going to love like I do. It's from NORDGREEN, a Danish company which produce the most stunning, beautiful and minimalist watches, which are also incredibly stylish and chic. Now I don't normally do unboxings, as you know ladies, but I just couldn't resist sharing this with you. But I was so excited when this arrived that I wanted to do a sort of an unboxing with you. So this came directly from the factory in Copenhagen, Denmark. It's like Christmas opening a box like this, isn't it? So exciting. You can see the lovely subtle colours which give a hint of the minimalism and the sheer class coming from this watch. Now this is proper inspirational Scandinavian design. NORDGREEN has a very green approach to their packaging, using recycled sustainable materials. I just love their ethics and values, like carbon neutral shipping, as well as their amazingly beautiful watches. And here is this beautiful watch. So here's this beautiful watch, which I'm just going to put on in a second. It's got a fabulous face, really light and clear and bright, and the strap combination works really well with it. I chose this one, of course, but I put the details below on which one this is, and there are so many designs to choose from. You're bound to find one that you love. Now here, I'm just taking it off this this packaging here, just to show you in more detail. I love the two-tone metal, the gold and the silver. I just think it's really versatile to style it like that, gives you more styling options. It's really light in weight as well, so just look at that. Classy, classic, ramps up any outfit. Now I'm just going to pop this on. I just love this, absolutely love it. Doesn't it look gorgeous? Now, as you can see, I'm wearing it with this blazer, a classic tailored blazer and a top. But I think it would look equally as good with a casual pair of jeans and a t-shirt, or even dressed up, obviously, to go with a cocktail dress or going out for a party. Basically, this watch will take you anywhere. Anyway, I know I've excited you ladies, so I've got a fabulous deal for you. I've negotiated a 15% discount for you. If you look at the link underneath this video, and if you use the Deirdre's code, which is also underneath the video, you can get an extra strap with your watch totally free, which is brilliant, as it's a sort of like 2 watches for the price of 1, with the discount as well, of course. And you can feel good about purchasing from NORDGREEN as well, because they have a special giving back program in health, education, the environment. So every watch sold helps these good causes. Now, I don't know if I told you, but I used to live and work in North Africa and the Middle East. So I was blown away to discover that NORDGREEN's program provides clean drinking water in just one of their give back programs in Africa. So let's move on now to my next classic item, which all classy ladies need in their jewellery jewellery arsenal, which is a bracelet. Now, the first type of bracelet that I want to talk about is the tennis bracelet that's been an iconic piece of jewellery since about the 1920s. It's just so chic in its elegant simplicity. You know, it's just a row of diamonds. I say just a row of diamonds. Of course, that's what makes it so special. It can be worn with so many items for so many different occasions. I mean, if you've got a tennis bracelet, ladies, or if you're thinking of buying one, don't just keep it for best. You know, use it for all the occasions. You can wear it with jeans and a t-shirt, something that's casual. It just looks absolutely incredible, whatever you wear it with. Now, I have this one here, which actually was a present, was bought in California actually by my aunt, who gave it to me as a gift. Absolutely love it. I mean, you just look and see that. Absolutely beautiful. So classy. Of course, you can buy reasonably priced versions from other companies such as Swarovski and so on, but whatever you choose, make sure that it's got the classic setting like mine has here. Okay, so another bracelet, which is a beautiful classic type, of course, is the Cartier Love Bracelet. Now, this type of bracelet is one of the most searched for pieces of jewellery on the internet, and it's no wonder why. It's simply stunning. It's incredibly classic, incredibly elegant, and worn by celebrities all over the world. It's iconic, it's easy to wear, and you get the whole concept of love attached to it as well, which makes it really attractive. Now, although a real one costs about £5,500 minimum, which is about $7,500, there are plenty out there which are dupes. Now, I highly recommend one like that. I mean, this is a dupe, in case you hadn't guessed, but don't tell anyone. Now, if you're interested in a dupe, let me recommend this one here. This is a gorgeous one. Don't tell anyone, of course. This is from Amazon. I've got the UK and the US links here, which you'll find below. And of course, another classic bracelet, which is very timeless, is the gold bangle. Now, you can either wear that just dangling on the wrist on its own, or you can wear it stacked up in a sort of layers. Now, they're much more common these days, much more popular, but they're still using the classic gold bangle. Gold bangles are very much a wear everywhere option, and you can get them engraved, and they're just perfect as gifts as well. So let's move on to earrings. Now, the first type that I want to talk about is diamond stud earrings, or diamante stud earrings. Now, these types of earrings, the diamond stud earrings, are the fashion equivalent of the little black dress. They're effortlessly stylish and a fail-safe way to elevate any look. They will add instant polish, whatever you pair them with. Now, I often like to wear diamond studs, or diamante studs at least, with cashmere jumper and a pair of jeans, something quite casual, because they really set the outfit off really well, and you can look so much more chic with that. Now, I saw some wonderful ones for you at Monica Vinader, like these. Now, these are called the Fiji button diamond earrings, and you can choose the settings. You can have 18 karat gold, 18 karat rose gold, or silver. Now, I've got a link below with a gift of discount for you too, ladies, so pop down to my video description and have a look at those. They are absolutely beautiful. And also Swarovski do some really gorgeous diamante crystal equivalents at very reasonable prices, and I've put these down below for you with the links as well. And of course, I'm wearing a pair of little diamante Swarovski studs as well, which I think just looks classic. Of course, there are other types of earrings which you may prefer, such as pearl studs or gold studs or silver studs. They're all equally classic. As long as they're simple, they'll be chic and they'll be stylish. You may also have noticed that in a lot of my videos I wear gold hoops. So, you know, it's just up to you, ladies. Obviously, it's your own personal taste which ones you choose. Now, there's also a case, of course, for statement earrings that you might wear on a night out or for a special occasion. Now, I'm all for these, you know, they're great, but if you want to economize, I would suggest that you might get cheaper versions of these as well, because you're not going to wear them so often, so they're not going to be added to my classic list of jewellery on this list, I'm afraid. Okay, now for necklaces. So many to choose from, but these are my recommendations on the most classic and chic types. The first type is the gold chain and pendant. And you may have noticed I'm wearing one of these. This is Monica Vinader. Put all the links below for you. This is just beautiful. It's 18 karat gold. It's really lovely. It's just you buy the chain and you choose your own pendant. It's really versatile, just classic. You can also get a much more inexpensive chain and pendant here from Swarovski, which is just beautiful. Just have a look at this one. I love their ginger collection. I think it's really classic. This is a rose gold pendant with sparkling crystals. It's delicate, it's feminine, but not so small that you have to squint to see it. Of course, the main thing to remember when choosing jewellery that you want to be classic and chic is to choose fairly dainty, a little bit more on the delicate side of style of jewellery, because this will be much more classic, much more chic. You don't want it to be flashy or brash. You want it to be timeless and to go with everything. Of course, recently there's been a vogue of wearing jewellery, particularly bracelets and necklaces, layered up in stacks. And I really love this look. But even with this look, just make sure that those that you choose are fairly delicate. So 2 or 3 fairly delicate necklaces, like this one from Karen Millen. It's so pretty. It's not chunky at all. Don't choose chunky jewellery if you want to look classic and chic. Chunky jewellery can look okay, can look significant, and I do love them, but they may not stand the test of time, and they won't make us look like goddesses. And let's face it, ladies, we are goddesses. So, I hope you've really enjoyed my little selection of classic jewellery pieces that every woman needs. I'd love to hear your views and your opinions. Please do put your comments in the comments box below, and really I do respond to them, and I love to talk to you. Don't forget, all the links to all the items that I've shown you are in the video description underneath the video for UK and my international friends. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. I hope you have an amazing day, lots and lots of love, and I'll see you really soon. Bye.